Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, my hair looks a mess because you know your girl been busy all day. But today, if you've seen by the title, we're going to be doing, well, I'm going to be showing you guys, not reviewing, but demoing the products that I got in my June box of Sephora Play. So it comes in like a black box that says Sephora Play on it, and then on the inside it comes like this little bag, and then it gives you, it comes with this little paper that you can like open up. If I can get it open, yes, you can open it up, and then it tells you all about the products and stuff like that. This one is actually from this week. So yeah, so this week we got, I'm just gonna show them to y'all. So this week we got the Dolce and Gabbana perfume. I don't know what kind, but I didn't like how it smelled, to be honest. It smelled like somebody's grandma, but that's just my personal opinion. Anyways, yeah, so it comes in like a little thing like this, and yeah, it kind of smells like a church lady or something. I mean, church ladies smell good, but I'm just saying it's not really my thing. But anyway, so I also came with this Tarte foundcealer foundation, and I'm not sure if this is my shade. This is in the color mahogany. Let me swatch it and see. Okay, yeah. She's a little dark for my complexion, but I'm pretty sure I could pull it off. So I'll try that. I'll use that like, I don't know when. Okay. The last four products are some skincare products, and I'm going to be showing you guys like demoing the skincare in this video today. So I'm not going to be using the foundation because apparently I had foundation on my face already, and it is too dark for me. So yeah, and then this, I mean, you can't really demo this, so whatever. Anyway, so we're going to be getting to the skincare. Okay, so I got the Ulta Repair BarriAIR Cream, Strengthen, Balance, and Hydrate. And this is a moisturizer, I think. Yeah, it says use daily in the AM and PM. Apply evenly over clean skin. So this is a moisturizer. Oh, is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? Okay. I don't know. Guess not. Anyways. So it comes in this box. And then it just comes like a little thing like this. So, yeah. And then the next product we got is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And I've heard a lot about this. I've heard it's really good. This is in the color vanilla. The scent vanilla, not the color, the scent. And this is a really, really small sample. But it is for your lips, so I guess you'll need this much. And then this is the Deep Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And this is by Farmacy. And I've heard a lot of good things about Farmacy, the brand Farmacy too. And then lastly, we have the Biossance Squalane plus Tea Tree Detox Mask. Am I even going to use this? I don't know. But yeah, so it comes like this. So I'm going to be using these products to take off my makeup and rejuvenate my skin. So we're going to be... Oh my gosh, my eye makeup looks so good. I don't want to take it off. It looks so good. Alright, so we're about to just apply this. I don't know how well this is going to work, but I hope it works. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Guess she showed us something. Alright, so I'm going to, like, put some on this eye. It is taking this makeup off, y'all. Okay. I mean, I guess this is what it's supposed to do, but I wasn't expecting it to work that well. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I'm currently, like, in my little thingamajigger. So I gotta go, like, to my bathroom to, like, wipe this off. It smells good, though. It smells kind of like some ice cream or something. Like some sherbet ice cream. If you're into that. I like sherbet ice cream. Okay. Alright, so I'm about to go get me a damp washcloth to like wash this off because I look scary. Okay, so I really like this. It's really like helping me melt away all the foundation and like makeup that I had on my skin today. It does kind of take a lot, so this sample is kind of going pretty quick, but it's working. Like it's actually doing like what it claims. So I really like it. I have like ton of makeup in there, which look disgusting, but it's doing what it says that it's supposed to do. So I'm actually about to go wash this off, and then I'm going to wash this off, and then I'm going to use my regular makeup cleanser to cleanse my face, and then I'm going to come back and use this detox mask. Okay, so I took my contacts out while I was in it because they were getting like makeup remover in them and they were burning. So I just took my contacts out. Okay, so now we're going to use this Biossance, I guess is how you say it, detox mask. It says it purifies, calms, and softens skin. It don't tell you how to use it though. Where's the box? Okay, I think I tried something like this before and I did not like. Yeah, I tried something like this before and I don't know if I was using it wrong or what, but it was just like, I don't know. Wow. What is all that on my face? Look at that. Okay. I don't know if it's like something in a mask or what, but it looks weird. Ugh, my hair won't get out the way. Okay, yeah, there's definitely something in the mask. I don't know. I didn't really like this mask. I don't know if I used the same one last time, but I used something similar to it. Alright, so I don't think I'm applying this right, but I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it off to see if it did anything. Alright, so I just washed off the detox mask. I can't see, I don't have my glasses on. I didn't really like it that much. My skin feels soft, but it's not just like, you know, this amazing difference. But I'm gonna go in with my toner because I always use my toner after I use a mask. This is the Witch Hazel. This is the Witch Hazel toner, for perfecting toner, the only toner that I use. And I'm just gonna go in and tone up, you know, tone my skin real good. My skin is like far from perfect. I still have a lot of work to do to, you know, get it looking how I want it to look. But it has came a long way. Like how my skin used to look a couple years ago, it looks completely different. So I'm grateful for that. My face is toned and it is dry. So now I'm going to go in with the Ulta Repair BarriAIR cream to moisturize my skin. It was really soft and like really like whipped. I'm just going to apply this to my skin, and my skin does feel soft. It does feel soft and supple, I can say that. So, and then I'm going to go with the Laneige lip, what is it called? Lip sleeping mask. So I really like the consistency of this lip sleeping mask. It's really thick, moisturizing. But yeah, let me grease. Oh, okay. So I do like this cream. I love the texture of it. Like it's not too like, it's not too thick, but it's also not too thin. Like it does feel like I'm like getting the proper amount of moisture in my skin. Wow, yeah, I really like this cream. Oh, my skin is so soft. But yeah, so I really like this cream. It's like not too thick. I don't know, I know I keep saying that, but it's like the perfect consistency. It's time for bed for me, okay? You know, it's been a long day, and I know I look tired. So it is time for bed. Get in the bed and lay it down, okay? Because I'm exhausted. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to learn more about the Sephora Play subscription, then you can just check in the description box. It's basically a subscription service that you pay $10 per month and you get 5 to 6 beauty essentials, beauty sample beauty essentials. So of course all these products were sample size, so you get 5 to 6 of those every month. You pay $10. It's a subscription service. You can cancel it anytime. So if you're interested in signing up, then you can just check in the description box below and sign up there. There'll be a link down there. And if you're interested in any of these products, I will leave links to where you can find them on Sephora's website. And yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tap the little bell button so that you get notified when I post a video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.